It's Tuesday, the 20th of October. Here is your Daily Takes News Burst, sponsored by Edge Messaging.
More than $1 billion in federal CARES Act funding remains undistributed in Wisconsin, according to an update provided by Governor Evers' office this morning. To date, federal funds have been invested in emergency response and public health measures and economic support initiatives for Wisconsin residents, businesses, and communities. As of October 9th, the state has expended $476 million and obligated an additional $479 million. $919.1 million in funds have been committed but are not yet distributed. Evers' office also says roughly $120 million remain unallocated to ensure the state continues to have the flexibility to respond to emerging needs. The governor has been under pressure from legislative Republicans to account for the spent and unspent federal funds which Wisconsin received earlier this year. A startling amount of newly reported coronavirus cases in Wisconsin today come with a caveat. The state shut down the reporting system this weekend to make upgrades. As such, they warn that the total number of cases for the first few days will likely be abnormally high, and that a better indication of the spread of the disease would come from looking at the rolling 7-day average. That being said, today 4,591 new cases were recorded in the last 24 hours, as were 218 hospitalizations and 33 deaths. The 7-day average of new cases is 3,287. The death toll is now 1,633. 43% of COVID-19 cases in Wisconsin were reported within the last month, 62% have been in the last 2 months. Public health officials are concerned that the spike will stress hospitals in the state. The Wisconsin Hospital Association indicates that right now there are 1,192 hospitalized COVID patients. A bit of good news: that's up only 20 patients from the same time yesterday.